Are you wondering where the fuse boxes are located in the 2024 Audi A3 and how to interpret the fuse box diagram? Do you need help identifying the specific fuses that control various electrical components in both the passenger and engine compartments? Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi A3 includes fuses for interior lighting, audio systems, and climate control functions. It features labeled slots for easy identification of each fuse's purpose, helping with quick troubleshooting and replacement. Additionally, the box is designed for easy access, allowing users to check or replace fuses without significant disassembly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi A3 contains fuses for essential engine components such as the fuel pump, ignition system, and various sensors. It features a labeled diagram on the inside of the cover, indicating the purpose of each fuse for easy reference. Additionally, the box is designed to be weather-resistant, protecting the fuses from moisture and environmental factors.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.